Russian scientists Dr. Victoria Popova
and Dr. Lydia Andrianova. We have many publications and patents. In 2 videos will be presented 2 keys for decoding extraterrestrial civilization pictograms, analog and digital.
During 15 years, through channeling, we received information which allowed to read pictograms warning of extraterrestrial civilization about upcoming global cataclysms and instructions of the only way for humanity's salvation. Received 2 keys for decoding of extraterrestrial civilization messages allowed to decipher many hundreds of their pictograms scattered all over the world and compose a dictionary of extraterrestrial civilization symbols of consciousness for over 250 symbols. Analog key is an information cell.
Digital code is a trident. Trident is analog of information cell. Information cell is a presentation of human being on the information level of the universe. What does it mean?
The universe is a huge system of visible and invisible worlds, absolutely different by the structure and mission. All worlds interact with each other. The purpose of the universe, perfection of consciousness. The system of the universe is created and managed by the Creator. The system of the universe consists of 3 basic levels: the absolute, the information world, and the material world.
The material world consists of 3 main levels, forming the system of parallel worlds: the highest level, the intermediate level, and the level of crystal structures. Each of levels contains countless intermediate sublevels.
In the intermediate level of the material world, a body is presented as a weight hologram, and on the highest level as a weightless hologram. Now we live at the level of crystal structures, the lowest level of the material world, and have solid body. Visible universe is also located on this level. After the transition, our civilization will live at the highest level of the material world. Without cataclysms, our body will be holographic, without weight.
The material world contains time and space. The information world has no time nor space, but only information. The information world is a library of the material world. On the information level, our consciousness works.
Extraterrestrial civilization fly between galaxies through parallel worlds by teleportation. All flights pass through different intermediate sublevels of the material worlds. Transferring to different sublevels requires a body transformations. Extraterrestrial civilization confirm that humanity also can make the first lesson of flights through parallel worlds. It is the transition to the highest level of the material world.
Individual information cell as a human being consists of 2 main parts, a brain and a body areas. There are also a border of a cell which separates one individual from another. The symbol of individual cell is a ring with a small dark circle in the center. A small dark circle represents a brain area, a ring is a border, and light area between them, a body area of the cell.
If 2 or more people unite consciousness, they form a common cell of the united consciousness with expanded brain area. The more people unite consciousness, the larger the brain area of the united consciousness cell. Information cell is presented in many objects of system of information transmission of extraterrestrial civilization.
Extraterrestrial civilization inform that our information cell has a very thick border as a result of carbon basis of mankind life. This information extraterrestrial civilization transmit in many messages pictograms.
For example, in the group circle, July 6, 2010, Hampshire, England, in the basis of each block is a regular hexagon representing a hexagonal lattice of a carbon. Each regular hexagon in this crop circle with circle in the center represents the united consciousness cell. The expanded area of a brain of the united consciousness cell is shown by a big circle inside. Here are some crop circles examples showing the carbon basis of humanity's life.
In the next video, we will explain the digital code of decoding of extraterrestrial civilization messages. For more information, you can search our website www.ourtransition.info.